Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today NVIDIA is flying nearly 2% right now. It is going up, it is incredibly bullish at this moment. It is about time for us to update our thoughts on NVIDIA because last week we crashed dramatically. We lost the support level at 181, we lost the 21 EMA, however, we reacted so nicely and still the bias is clearly bullish even with this sharp correction last week because of some news regarding NVIDIA's profitability for the next quarter. But still NVIDIA is clearly bullish. So what's next for us? I mean, what if NVIDIA drops? Until what point could it possibly drop? Or what about if it keeps going up? I mean, we have a resistance at 200. What if we break the 200? So we're going to talk about a few scenarios on NVIDIA. Just first, remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel. And if you're new around here, just subscribe in order to keep in touch with my daily analysis and insights on NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, Tesla, NIO, and many other stocks. And if you want to have access to premium analysis, consider my newsletters. For instance, the Market Dive daily newsletter. Every single day I share many insights with you guys on SPY, Tesla, other stocks we already analyze here in this channel, and even other stocks that are outside our radars. For instance, Rivian, we nailed it, the reversal on Rivian when it was trading below the 15.41. So yeah, I think you guys are going to enjoy my services to you. Remember, subscribe to the Market Dive daily newsletter. Now, back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA, in the 1 hour chart, it did a fantastic V-shaped recovery. In addition to this, it did trigger a classic bullish reversal structure called bullish pivot point. This is the best reversal structure we can ever possibly ask for on any asset class. It is a crystal clear indicator that the bulls are again they are trying to regain the control on this situation. In addition to this, NVIDIA filled this gap over here. Remember, NVIDIA always fills its gaps as long as the gaps appear above the price, just like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and other particular stocks. NVIDIA always follow this structure we see regarding gaps. Now, the gap was filled, all right. What if NVIDIA drops from here? I mean, we see SPY just at a classic resistance level. I mean, tomorrow we could see a bearish day closing below the previous resistance level, right? Yes, this is a real possibility. In that case, we could potentially see a pullback again to $415. QQQ would also drop below the 329 over here, this black line, $329. If it triggers a pullback, okay, the 21 EMA is the next support level for us to work with, and this is it. Probably NVIDIA is going to correct as well. However, just like QQQ, in my humble opinion, any correction on NVIDIA would make it retest the 21 EMA as well, or the 181, this black line over here, okay? Because these points, these two key points, are the next support levels for us on NVIDIA. Only if it loses this support area, I do believe NVIDIA is going to trigger a sharper pullback to its purple trend line again. This is not happening. We don't see any bearish evidence. There is not a single technical evidence that NVIDIA is going to trigger a pullback or that NVIDIA is going to correct. So although it is important to keep this scenario in mind, we should keep in mind that NVIDIA is still clearly bullish. All right, it is bullish. In that case, the next resistance is 196, and this should be our target as well. So the next target / resistance is 196. It is a bull trend. There is not a single evidence of a top sign. There is nothing indicating that NVIDIA is going to trigger a pullback or not. So right now, NVIDIA is clearly bullish. I like how the volume is playing over here. Also, in addition, I like how NVIDIA is doing in the weekly chart. It feels like the 21 EMA in the weekly chart is working as a resistance level for us. However, we see so far, today is only Monday, right? But so far we see 1, 2, 3 bullish candles trying to break the EMA again. So I think that by breaking the EMA, NVIDIA will have decent chances of reversing the trend in the long term as well, because since November, NVIDIA is not performing that well. On November, NVIDIA was above $300. Right now, we are below $200. So NVIDIA is not performing that well since November, but still, I believe that by breaking the EMA again, because we had our first breakout over here on March 2022, but the trend was not, the bearish sentiment was not done yet, so we still crashed a little bit more. However, right now, NVIDIA just retested this support level over here, down here at 155, which is clearly a very important key point on NVIDIA. We reacted so nicely. The volume is trying to increase over here as well. We see that we are doing a very nice effort to break this EMA, so I think the bias is more bullish than bearish on NVIDIA. Still, considering that NVIDIA has decent chances of breaking 196, what is the next target on NVIDIA? By breaking 196, I believe NVIDIA is going to try to fill the first gap at $230. We also have another open gap at $258, which I do believe we're going to fill it, because remember, NVIDIA always fills the gaps that appear above the price level. So right now we have two targets to work with. I do believe that by breaking 196, NVIDIA will trigger a very nice bullish structure. Maybe this is even a complex inverted head and shoulders, right? With two shoulders. This is acceptable, technically speaking, right? So maybe we have a complex inverted head and shoulders going on. Either way, we will know if NVIDIA breaks 196, which is the most important key point for it to break right now at this moment. In my personal opinion, I do believe we're going to break it. However, a pullback to the EMA again, or even to the purple trend line, is also, technically speaking, acceptable, and it is not going to ruin the bullish bias seen on NVIDIA. Right now, no bearish structures, no bearish stop sign, no bearish reversal structure, so NVIDIA is doing just fine. Let's keep our eyes open at 196 for now. And if you're still watching this video, probably you liked the content, so seriously, consider subscribing this channel, consider joining our Market Dive daily newsletter for more premium analysis on many other stocks. SPY hit our target, by the way, 427 today. I set this target on August 1 over here. So seriously, I think you guys are going to enjoy my services. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.